Hello, and welcome to Easy English Lessons. In this episode, you are going to practice listening with shadowing. Shadowing means that you listen and speak at the same time. You hear the sentence, and you repeat it together with the speaker. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not stop the audio. Just listen and repeat. This story is designed for a 1 to B1 level of English learners. The language starts very simple and slowly becomes more detailed. You will hear short sentences, clear pronunciation, and natural repetition. This will help you improve your listening, your speaking, and your confidence. You can listen while walking. You can listen while resting. You can listen more than once. If it feels difficult, slow the audio down. If it feels easy, keep going. Now, relax. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. Part 1. Morning Start. Level A1. I wake up early in the morning. My alarm rings softly. I open my eyes slowly. I look at the ceiling. The room is quiet. The air feels calm. I stay in bed for a moment. I do not move. I breathe in. I breathe out. I feel warm under the blanket. I think about the day. Today is a normal day. Nothing special is planned. And that feels good. I sit up slowly. I put my feet on the floor. The floor is cold. I smile a little. I stand up. I stretch my arms. I stretch my back. I stretch my legs. My body feels stiff, but it wakes up. I walk to the window. I open the curtain. Light comes into the room. The sky is light blue. The day has started. I go to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I wash my face with cold water. It feels fresh. I look in the mirror. I see my sleepy face. My hair is messy. My eyes are tired. That is okay. I brush my teeth slowly. I take my time. I do not rush. I leave the bathroom. I walk to the kitchen. Part 2. Breakfast and Morning Thoughts. Levels for A1 to A2. The kitchen is quiet. No one else is awake. I like this time. It feels peaceful. I make coffee. I wait for the water. I listen to the sound. It is warm and soft. I take a cup. I pour the coffee. The smell is nice. It feels comforting. I sit at the table. I take a small sip. The coffee is hot. I wait a little. I look around. Everything feels familiar. This is my home. I think about yesterday. It was a busy day. But today feels different. I check my phone. No new messages. That is fine. I eat a simple breakfast. Nothing special. Bread, fruit, maybe yogurt. I eat slowly. I think about the day ahead. I have work to do. I will meet people. I will answer messages. It is normal. I feel ready. Part 3. Leaving home and the way to work. Level A2. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. I check the weather. It looks cool outside. I take a jacket. I take my bag. I look for my keys. They are on the table. I open the door. I step outside. The air is fresh. It feels good on my face. The street is quiet. Only a few people are outside. Some walk fast. Some walk slowly. Everyone is going somewhere. I walk to the bus stop. I hear birds. I see trees. I see cars. I stop at the crossing. I wait for the light. The light turns green. I cross the street. I arrive at the stop. A few people are waiting. No one is talking. Everyone looks tired. The bus arrives. I get on. I find a seat by the window. I sit down. The bus starts moving. I look outside. Buildings pass by. I see shops. I see cafes. People are starting their day. Part 4. Work life and small moments. Level A2 to B1. I arrive at work. I walk inside. I say hello to my coworkers. They say hello back. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my tasks. I have many things to do. Some are easy. Some need more thinking. I start with a simple task. It helps me focus. Time passes slowly. I answer emails. I write messages. I read documents. Sometimes I feel focused. Sometimes my mind wanders. I take a short break. I stand up. I stretch my shoulders. I drink some water. I look out the window. The sky is still bright. The day is moving forward. I go back to my desk. I continue working. One task is finished. Then another one. This feels good. At lunch, I stop working. I eat with colleagues. We talk about small things, food, weather, plans. I listen more than I talk. After lunch, I feel a little tired. This happens every day. I take a deep breath. I continue. Part 5. Inner Thoughts and Feelings. Level B1. During the afternoon, my thoughts change. I think about my life. I think about my choices. Am I doing the right thing? Am I where I want to be? These thoughts come quietly. I do not feel sad, just thoughtful. I remind myself that life is a process. No one has all the answers. That helps. I focus again on my work. I finish what I can. The day slowly comes to an end. I feel relief. Part 6. Evening and closing the day. Level B1. Work is over. I pack my things. I say goodbye. I leave the building. Outside, the light is softer. The air feels different. I walk home. I move slower now. I feel tired. But it is a good, tired feeling. At home, I change clothes. I relax. I make dinner. Something simple again. I eat quietly. I enjoy the moment. Later, I sit on the couch. I think about the day. Nothing big happened, but many small things did, and that is life. I prepare for bed. I turn off the lights. I lie down. The room is quiet. I close my eyes. I breathe in. I breathe out. Tomorrow will come, but now I rest. You have reached the end of this shadowing story. Well done. You stayed with the language, you listened, and you spoke. That is real practice. Remember, progress comes from small steps, taken many times. You do not need to understand every word. You only need to keep listening and repeating. You can come back to this episode again tomorrow. Each time it will feel easier. Each time your English will feel more natural. Thank you for learning with Easy English Lessons. Take a moment to relax. Take one more deep breath, and I'll see you in the next lesson.